Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In my today's video, I will tell you about the sound and volume problem in your device Galaxy M13. So if in this device you are having any problem due to the sound of the device or the volume of the device, you can easily fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just to fix your sound and volume issue, follow the steps and watch the video and you will know all about it. Let's watch the video.